Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We should be landing in the next 35 minutes. This time, like our flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival. I'd also like to thank everyone for being with us today. You've made this flight extremely special for all of us.
Okay, so this is hilarious. We are in Seattle right now to celebrate my brother's girlfriend's birthday. And we got to the hotel, and the check-in time is at 4 o'clock, and it was like 4:45, and the room still wasn't ready. So my brother's girlfriend called the front office and kind of like, I don't know how she did it, but she made a big deal without being a Karen. And they were like, oh, like, the room's not ready, it'll be ready in half an hour. She was like, oh, okay. So then she hung up, and then they called back 2 minutes later and said, oh, well, the room is ready. So we went downstairs, and I guess it was the manager who did this whole thing, because I don't think a regular employee would have done any of this, but he gave us a suite instead of the actual room that we paid for, and he also gave us a free bottle of red wine. Thank you, Matthew. This is a huge room, huge suite. This is not really what we paid for, but I want to show you guys this view. Look, it's literally the public market sign. Fantastic. Cheers! Happy birthday, Jan! Happy birthday, Jan! Don't judge us, they only gave us 2 glasses. Hello, we are in Seattle. To dinner. We got a reservation at Staple and Fancy.
Oh, you said that weird.
And my mom stole my outfit. Look. It's literally the same shirt. Market for breakfast today. I just wanted to show you my outfit of the day. So on top I have my black LA Dodgers hat, I have my tank top from Banana Republic, and I have my pants from Target. Don't they look so expensive? But they're only $20. Then I have my shoes from a brand called Echo, and I have my sweater from, where did I get this from? J.Crew. And then this is my mom's outfit.
Target.
Rumpers from Target.
And
shoes are from Lacoste.
And I don't know what this, but it's linen.
Linen on linen. And then your hat is from Madewell, the bag, and then the hat.
My hat is from Marshalls.
From Marshalls, okay. Wait, let's get over here because the lighting's bad. Okay, work, yes. And then Jan, let's see your outfit.
Oh my god.
Where's your jacket from? Okay, so denim jacket's from Stitch and Feather, and then where's the jumpsuit from?
Stitch Fix.
Oh,
yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, I like Stitch Fix because I can't because I can't pick clothes out myself, so I use.
That's like the box, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
And then the bag is from Madewell also.
Madewell.
And then sandals.
Probably Steve Madden.
From Steve Madden. Yeah. And then my ugly brother is just wearing a V-neck shirt and. Sound in here is probably not good, but we just got some donuts from Daily Dozen Donut Company. Ooh, they're like mini donuts. They're so good.
There's like a bacon donut there.
And how'd you like it?
It's good. It's like you have the saltiness of the bacon and the nice sweet dough. And their dough is
Okay, very good.
You guys know what bagel you want?
look at the dough. So good. Bacon.
This is the bacon one. It's the best one. Mmm. It has like a maple icing on it with bacon bits on top. It was so good, we got back in that long ass line to get more.
The only inflexible aspect is that we have to is that we have to make a reservation.
Over here, so I can sit over there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so that I have more room. Thank you.
Oh wow, that is good. After we ate, we came home and went to sleep. I've never eaten food like that ever before in my life. I was so full because we had pasta and bread and fries. There was just a lot of carbs and like I felt like I was gonna explode. So I literally couldn't walk anywhere. I couldn't do anything. I barely could breathe. So I had to come back, change into my pajamas, and then go to sleep. We just had breakfast. We went to Proshki again. Just got some quick pastries, savory pastries. And now we're gonna be on our way to the airport. It was fun. I actually really love Seattle, especially during the summer. The last time I was here, I don't think I explained this, but the last place that I visited before the pandemic was Seattle. And the first place that I visited after the pandemic is Seattle, so it was really cool. The last time I went was in like February, like January, February, so it was really, really cold and it was raining, and I was only here for maybe like 16 hours, but it was really nice to be here for longer during the summer because the weather was really nice. We just missed the heat wave, so it wasn't too hot. Yeah, it was really nice. I really like this city. If I wasn't an actor, I might move here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah.
Here you are. This is the shape.
So if you need a visual, know that I'll be practicing with you. Round away with your hands and pull your hips all the way back into a child's pose. Now there are a few ways of taking a restorative child's pose. You can take one with your toes tucked like this.
Hello! I'm about to film a self-tape right now. I'm about to play a lawyer. She just got out of law school. She's kind of cute, kind of love her. And then I'm gonna get my nails done because while I was in Seattle, one of my nails ripped. This nail right here ripped while I was trying to get into an Uber. So now I'm just going to cut all of my nails off. I knew that my nails got long when, like, you know when you put your card into the parking meter and you can't pull it out? That's when I knew that my nails were too long. So long nails were fun, but it's time to go back to short. Also, it's just easier to type with shorter nails. So let's film this self-tape, shall we? It looks so cute. Okay, ready? And action. Otherwise, you're just using it. Yeah, what's
just a convenient.
Otherwise, it's just a convenient way to avoid your life. Okay, let's do it again. And action. You can't avoid dealing with her forever. Let's just do that whole thing again. Ooh, just did some dance cardio. Probably can't tell, but I am sweating so much. But it feels so good. And now we're gonna have some oats. Oh, and I got my nails done. Well, we got some oatmeal. I haven't been eating healthy breakfasts, so it feels really good to, you know, get back on track, like get back to exercising and eating healthy again. Yay! Good morning, everyone. We've got a full day of errands today. We are going to Best Buy, IKEA, Target, Parachute Home. I have a meeting at 3 p.m. and we gotta take some of these boxes to storage. So we've got a full-on day today. Let's have some fun. But first, let me show you my outfit of the day. So on the top here, we've got my D.A.R.E shirt, you know, keeping kids off drugs, okay? This is a vintage style shirt from Urban Outfitters. I got it in the men's section because men's section always has the best graphic t-shirts. Don't know why. Do they deserve it? Not really sure if they deserve all of that. And then on the bottom here, I have these ribbed knit pants from 4 Days. Very, very cool. My sunglasses are by Saint Laurent. And then I have my 2 little chain necklaces here. And I'm probably just gonna wear my white Air Force Ones. Yes. All right, we are in line at the pharmacy at Rite Aid. God, my eyeballs are so dry. Hi, can I pick up a prescription? What's the last name? Jackson. Excellent. They got all of these on display, but they're not being sold. I know. got a new lamp from IKEA. Well, actually I got a whole bunch of new stuff from everywhere that we went to today, but the stuff that I bought for my office or my desk setup, that's going in a completely different video. Like I'm filming a separate video for that. I'm doing like a desk makeover kind of video. But I saw this at IKEA. I thought it was so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the living room or in my bedroom or in the dining area. Not sure where I'm gonna put it yet, but let's assemble. Oh, it doesn't even fit. Cool. So small. 이쁘다. Alright, so I wanted to wait until it was the morning to show you guys my completed entryway. Well, it's not completed obviously because there's trash right there. We need to take that out. But look at the, well, hold on, this needs to be pulled back a little bit. Look! I think this lamp is perfect for this little table area thing situation. I think it looks so freaking good. And then we're making progress on the rest of the apartment. The living room is pretty much already done. It's just like we're tying up some loose ends. Hopefully the apartment tour video will come very, very soon. I'm really excited. I don't think I've ever done like a full official apartment tour video ever before on my channel before, so I'm really excited about this. I worked really, really hard on trying to style this place. It feels very me, which I'm very happy about. I just, this is my pride and joy. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys next time. I cannot snap on that hand. Peace!